Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make banana roulade. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We start with nuts. I will use almonds. No matter which we will choose, they have to soak for at least 8-9 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. We ground them. Now we put them in a bowl. Those which didn't fit, I will mix now with carob or non-alkalized cocoa. The mass we put in the bowl and we can mix other ingredients. We take flaxseeds soaked for at least 7-8 hours. And dates soaked till they get soft. Now we also add some carob. We put the mass in the S-blade chopper and mix with the rest of the ingredients. Now we take frozen bananas. We can ground them in a chopper, but I will use slow juicer. We attach the attachments for making sorbets. The more frozen bananas are, the better. We put the mass with nuts on the baking paper and spread evenly. Now we put some soaked raisins. And we put the mass with the bananas on it. We just have to wrap it and leave it in the freezer. And it's ready! Bon appetit!